Hello, I'm Glenda Collegross, President of Northwest-Shoals Community College. Black History Month events have been a staple here at Northwest-Shoals for many years. Unfortunately, we are not able to have our traditional Unity celebration this year. However, we are excited to be able to offer inspiring words and music from our college employees to celebrate Black History Month. Join us as we celebrate unity through education.
Hello, I am Casey Eggleston, Chairperson for Northwest-Shoals Community College Culture Affairs Committee. At Northwest-Shoals, we are proud of our faculty and staff for their efforts in promoting diversity and celebrating unity through education. As the famous poet Maya Angelou once stated, "In diversity, there is beauty and there is strength." Together, we are making a positive difference in the lives of our students throughout Northwest Alabama. Today, we are proud to celebrate Black History Month through the many accomplishments of our African American students, faculty, and staff.
Lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring, ring with the harmony of liberty. Let our rejoicing rise high as the listening sky. Let it resound loud as the roaring sea. Malcolm X was one of the most influential African Americans in history. As a notable human rights activist and proponent for education, he stated, "Education is our passport to the future, but tomorrow belongs only to the people who prepare for it today." Students, as you plan your life and how you want it to unfold, start with education and keep it as a vital part of your foundation. Northwest-Shoals Community College is here to be your stepping stone to achieve your goals.
You are the source of my strength. You are the strength of my life. I lift my hands in total praise to